Ra taught that deconditioning takes 7 years because he said it takes 7 years for all the cells in the body to die and be regenerated. That's actually scientifically not true. So that's not true. So let's start first with the original premise of this whole idea is not scientifically valid.
Mm.
So take a breath. We're not in 1987 anymore. We're in a time of accelerated consciousness. And people have been doing a lot of growth and exploration. And personally, I would say if you have a 74-year-old man who's coming to you who's looking for life coaching, that's probably a person that's already done a certain amount of growth and work. Secondly, I'm going to just share with you, how many of you are older than 50? Be honest. How many of you know that just freaking staying alive for 15 years has a certain amount of deconditioning associated with it? Okay. It's just part of it. It's just life matures us. We're on a soul curriculum, and the nature of the curriculum is to grow. And not everybody has to go through a 7-year deconditioning process. In fact, part of why I created quantum human design was because I started to get all kinds of clients who were already deconditioned before they met human design, and they've been doing tapping and God knows what else, breath work, yoga, whatever. They've already been deep in it. And so not everybody has to be deconditioned with human design for 7 years. Some people maybe. I would say, and can I just add one other piece to it? You can follow your type and strategy for 7 years and not do the work and emerge after 7 years the same person, conditioned the way you were before. So that 7 years is not a magical number. So let's let it go.